Hi guys, good morning. Mr. M here, B's double arrow. Okay, currently in a live trade, as you guys can see there. Live, okay, not a demo, it's a live account. Okay, currently running at 127 pips, 26 pips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions open. Okay, and then the date at the bottom here, the 25th of the 5th, 2022. Okay, so you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay, you can go verify this on your own chart. Did I just move my stop loss? Yeah, it looks like it, but that's fine. You can go verify on your own chart and see what the market did here. Okay, all right, and this here, very simple, as you guys know. This is just a pure stop hunt here. Okay, because a lot of people went short here. A lot of retail traders went short here, and what did they do? This came back and they've harvested all that stops on top there. Okay, took out all that stops there on top, and then dropped the market like a waterfall. As you guys can see, the market drop, but our software knows that. Okay, so currently 122, 123. Okay, one is hovering around the 120, 130 mark. And this is the NZD-JPY 15-minute time frame, as you guys can see, 15-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to pause this video, okay, and then come back with the end result. Okay, so we're currently now on 132 pips. So this is Mr. M standing by. I'll see you guys shortly. Ciao for now. Hi guys, Mr. M here. I'm back again. Okay, so our trade is in the profit, over 231 pips. Okay, as you can see, we're still in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Okay, date and time is date is still the same, 25th of the 5th, 2022. Okay, and yes, as usual, live trade. Okay, as you can see, it's live 16. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start closing the trades now. I'm happy with 215 pips, so let me just do that. Let me just close my trades right in front of you guys. Okay, that's one, that's two, and that is 3, and that is 4, and that is 5, and that is 6. Okay, all the trades are closed. All right, guys, so yes, the beast is there, guys. If you guys are interested, please feel free to contact me. I mean, as you guys can see, it's a live trade, it's not a demo. Okay, all you're going to have to do is just follow the rules of the system and you will be profitable. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, if you're not going to follow the rules, do not contact me. Okay, because you are going to waste your money. All right, you're definitely going to waste your money. And yeah, that is it for now. So I will catch you guys around. This is Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now.